could be 4 boxes. Let's go. Let me, I'm going to go this way a little bit so my hands are only in there. Got my partner over here in the driver's seat. So, let's rip. Let's run it. Lemmy's fucking ready. All right, good luck. Wait, pull these out. All right, let me tilt this a little bit more. Here we go. Good luck. Thursday night, let's get that mojo for the weekend. Contenders boxes tomorrow. I'm going to have some special product. I haven't had it in a while. Maybe I found something good at a store. Bryce Harper Power. TJ Sekema. He's a pitcher for the Yankees. So he's a Yankee that'll sell no matter what. Nice little card there. Let's pop this light on. Let's pop this light on. Again, as I said, I will top load everything once we finish this break. A green. Trey Turner. And a die cut. Another Turner for the Washington Nationals out of 99. That's 77 of 99. And a Victor Mesa. Victor Mesa? Is this the older brother? The other one's Victor Mesa Jr. This is Victor Mesa. They're literally the same name. I want to say they're both on the Marlins. The other one's on Tampa Bay. All right. Nice little number card, green. Come on, let's hit a biggie. Come on. 2 chromes back there. Ohtani. Mike Trout, base. Come on. Victor Mesa again. And a Juan Soto. Guys, we got contenders. Let's fill that 3 box. It's a hell of a steal. I have to raise prices after this one. Nobody's got it cheaper than me. Nobody's even got the fucking product. Blackman. Chris Sale. Bobby Witt Jr. Mike Trout. Chrome. And a Victor Mesa. This is a Victor Mesa box. Let's go. This kid's a stud. Him and his brother. What a nice signature. Two more packs in this box. We got more to go. Kyle Tucker, rookie card. Goldschmidt. Yelich. That's a nice Yelich right there. Cracked ice. And a Blackman. Some guy said to me earlier, why do I want Victor Mesa? Victor Mesa Jr. is his brother, younger brother, clearly. He's the junior, but anyways, Victor Mesa is supposed to be a high prospect as well. So everyone wants to sell these cards right away and hit something huge like we hit that Tatis, which is great, but let's be real. Hold on to those cards, and when these kids are fucking smacking that ball over the wall every game, these are worth 10 times more. Another Chris Sale. Mancada. This Kai Boom. And the Josh Jung. Like I said, I will top load everything. You know that. I did it yesterday. We got to the hotel. We got everything done correctly. So I don't want anybody to get upset. We got a lot of stuff going on the page, y'all. We need to fill these box breaks. People are getting antsy, which is understandable. All right, We already ripped this. Let's get into that second box. Let's pull something big. Let's pull an Ohtani. Let's pull a Trout. Let's pull up Bryce. Something. All right, let's go. Let's go. No more Victor Mesas either. This guy's got too many last names. Harper. Adley. Power producer. Not the biggest card in the world, but a nice one. And the reveal is Dean Kremer. I think you pulled the same card, but not numbered. This one's out of 150. I feel like you pulled that one at the last box. All right, come on. We gotta rebound here. Nice rebound. Come on. We're doing a Raz for one of these too. It's like $15 or something like that for 10 spots. Winner takes the box. McNeil, Bishop, Mancada, and a die cut of Rylan Bannon. All right. Future considerations. Another Carter, Kaiboom, DeJong, Rizzo. Another Adley, Carter, Kaiboom rookie. Come on, baby. Come on. If anyone wants a personal of anything, you gotta let me know. I'll break this on the road while we're driving. I don't care. Eloy, rookie. Victor Mesa Jr. There he is. And it's numbered out of 50. Number 8 of 50. Jeff McNeil rookie card. And the next auto, right? Yeah, next auto. Michael Toglia. Never heard of him, but he's on the Rockies, and they're on the come-up, so I'm assuming he's got to be pretty damn good. That's your other auto in this one, unless we pull something else. Let's get a 101 or something here. We need a 101. It's a family box. You would think that way. Justin Verlander, Paddock, and a Yelich numbered out of 250. 33 of 250. Julio Rodriguez, Hunter Bishop. Put this one in there. I got this box of cards here, so if anyone's trying to break something, comment now, DM me, whatever you want to do. Here's the last pack. Come on. Gary Sanchez, Rome, CJ Abrams, and a Mackenzie Gore. So, as I said, when my buddy was over the other day, talking to me, helping pack things up, he was telling me about this kid. And his name is Victor Mesa Jr. And he said his brother is just as good. And his name is Victor Mesa. Victor Mesa. And there he is. Sorry, I was reading that comment. Kevin, it really depends. It depends what you want to break. I have more of these Bowmans. I have Contenders basketball. I have what else do I can't even think right now. Optic football. I have Optic football hobby box. I have a whole fresh case of that. We're trying to get that. That was a nice cut card. We're really trying to get that to fill up. We got a half case break of that we're trying to fill up, which is random teams. I believe it's 45 a spot. Random teams. Anyone can get the Cardinals. You could get whatever. You know what I mean? It's a hell of a deal. We're trying to fill that up. So let me finish top loading or sleeving these and top load them for you, Lenny. Yeah, the one that you just DM'd me about that was $1.50. That's a mini to get into the main to get a chance to win a box of these. So winner of that mini goes into the main for a chance at $1.50. So get that one in there. Adley, Carter, Jeff McNeil, Kramer. Another break on the road. Fortunately, Lenny, it was not the break we were hoping for. But you got a nice Yelich. What you got for that, Nico? Oh, yeah, we're at a truck stop. We're on the road, and Lenny wanted to break another box, so. How much to run another one? Well, you're going to the same spot, so since you're going to the same spot, I'll do like 145. I'll throw you 5 off on it since I'm going to ship it in the same. If you want to do another one, let me know. I'll pull it out. We can get picking, and we'll break it. Hey, man, it's a grind. You got to get after it, so got to keep everyone happy. Everyone wants to do things, and I'm on the road, so it's my choice. All right, Lenny, I'm going to pull these out. Let me stash these ones that we just broke, make sure they're all safe, and send me that, and then we'll pick a box, run it again, run it back, back. And then another. Can you grab the bubblers right there? Or no? If you can grab the bubblers, pop one open, and then we'll put these in there. Is Brian gonna stay at Cubby? A lot of my friends are saying to trade them. Get what you can for them. They're unhappy with a bunch of stuff in there. Put these in there nicely for me. And so I don't know. I got hella contenders in here, so if you want to break contenders, we can break contenders. But also, newbie nuggets. We got the 3 box, which I think you might be in actually. So you need to put them in a team sleeve or no? They're good. All right, gotta make that. We'll put that on top of the box. All right, cool. Lenny's paid. We'll do another one. Guys, if you want contenders or something, let me know. Like I said, we're on the road, so could get a little shaky, or I can break it for you and throw it on YouTube or something, not live. I'm just trying to go based off the service. But if you want contenders, it's $3.20 a box shipped. Everything ships. This one, we got one. So contender stuff. Guys, everything on our page is almost as cheap as it can be right now. It's crazy. And I've had people DM me for stuff all day, but nobody's joining anything. We have a 3-box break of contenders with a possibility of a 4th if I roll a 7 on the amount of times you randomize the teams. And we got a lot of other stuff going on, like the Optic Football half-case break. It's a steal. Trying to get rid of some things. I also have personals of Optic Football. I also have the contenders personals and a few more of these Bowmans. So if anybody wants something, speak now or DM me in a little bit, and then we'll stop. We'll pull up again and break. We do need to hit the road after this one, maybe. Yeah, get in it. Yeah, C-Town knows what's up, man. We've been waiting. We finally got that single box broke yesterday. It was a pretty decent box. Got that nice Kyle guy, rookie auto. So what's going on? Just pulled up to a truck stop to break some cards for Lenny. Lenny collects. Again, he is been doing really well on these Bowmans. Last box, he hit that Tatis auto, so he was pumped for another, and now he wants another. So waiting for him to come back in this, hop back in, pick a box. We're going to rip it, and then I'm going to see if anybody wants anything else, and then we're going to hit the road. Appreciate you, C-Town. Guys, there's a lot of cheap stuff on our page, so that's all I'm saying. I also have to randomize the winner of this right here that we did earlier. Nice, man. When you start getting hot, you start getting hot. That's all I can say. When I started getting into breaks and stuff, pick a hot box. Pick a hot box. $94. Oh, there goes that. Whatever. 27. I kind of like 27. 7. I kind of like this. That's just me because I like the number 7. You let me know, and we'll pick something for you, or we'll get this going. Give me a thumbs up, and I'm gonna crack this one open for you. Oh yeah. My hair is long as hell. My hair is all the way down my back. I'm going to fit in real well in the sunny West Coast. I'm going to be shaka, brah. Let's run these back. Come on. Let's fucking go. We're at a truck stop in Arizona. We're breaking boxes. Find me another breaker that will pull over, like I said last night, and start ripping for you. You know? Got that long flow. I haven't cut my hair. I cut it 3 inches 7 months ago, and that was the last time I cut my hair. Prior to that was like 2 years, so I'm gonna hand these over probably. All right, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I'm in Arizona right now. Driving through. We got to make it to Kopeck rookie, future consideration, Seth Beer. Enjoy part. Yeah, we're in Arizona. We are in Flagstaff. Well, we're passing through, so we're not there yet, but Keston, Hunter, Pete Alonso rookie card. Sleeve her up right now. Sleeve her up right now. I like that. Let's start it off with that. And it's a chrome. Yeah. Let's start it. Let's go. Our first auto's coming up. We got this cracked ice die cut. That's a nice card. And this guy. JJ Bleday. That is look at that auto. He got you got 2 dicks in this auto, and it's nice. They're nice. JJ. As far as I know, Miami, the Marlins, and Tampa Bay, they don't know how to do anything but draft prospects. And I like that. Pete Alonso. Straight up, those Jays look like he drew dicks. Which, you got the cheater, cracked ice back here. Cody Bellinger. Another one. This is a Blade case. 64/25. And an Andrew Vaughn cracked ice. That's a nice fucking card. That's a nice card. Yeah, let's hit a Vlad for real. Sick of. There's a hot box here. I know there's hot boxes. You hit that one the other day, though, so it's not like we're not hot. Let's continue the mojo. Another Alonso rookie card. Not a chrome, but still a rookie card. Kershaw. Andrew Vaughn. Dude, if we hit a Vaughn or a Loy or a Lou Bob and a Manny, I'm going to flip this car off the expressway. By the way, I stopped at 8 or 9 Walmarts and Targets. Found one thing. I'll show you in a minute. I don't want to fuck this pack up. I hate when they open like dicks. DJ, Tuve, a Blade Power. All right, we got our next auto in that box coming out. It is Jonathan India out of 10. A red out of 10, number 8. Let's fucking go. Out of 10? This next pack's going to be big. I know it. Not this next actual pack, but this next box we're about to break. There's got to be a biggie in here. A die cut. This kid's a stud. A Victor Mesa Jr. die cut. Goodness. Oh, let's get rid of that fucking guy. I swear, if we pull that auto, it's not a bad auto, but these guys got to get out of here. Hira. All right. One more auto, probably the last pack or the second to last pack, or it's right there. Let's check her out. Lou Bob. Mike Trout, cracked ice, power producer. Oh, anything Mike Trout. Kyle Wright, rookie. And the auto's Brett Batty, third baseman for the Mets. No clue who he is or anything about him. Baseball's not the strongest of my subjects, but auto's an auto. And yeah, third baseman for the Mets, New York player. So New York sells. It could be on the come up. It's a nice Trout, though. Someone will probably comment and say, you don't know who that guy is, laughing face. And, oh, he's the future rookie of the year. Well, thanks for letting us know. See you next time. Torres got right. Pete Alonso. Hit a lot of Pete Alonsos in here. Yeah, that's a nice Trout. Oh, well, thank you very much for letting us know. Like I said, yeah, that's, man, a lot of rookies in here. A Vlad rookie. Nick Lodolo. I hit that superfractor like a month ago on that. Guys, let me know if you want anything in here. I know the views have gone down from Do we got another auto? Another Nick Lodolo. Another Eloy. Another auto? What? A pitcher. Quinn Priester, the child molester. Just kidding. He's probably not, guys. Relax. Another auto, though. That box had more autos than they're supposed to have, so quick recap on that one. Rookie, a Vlad rookie. Dolo, Pete Alonso. Future consideration of Julio Pablo Martinez. I got a lot here to sleeve up for you. Got the Mike Trout, the Brett Batty, the out of 10 Jonathan India. Screenshot this real quick, Lenny. Post her up, tag us. Let's see what it's doing on eBay. I'll screenshot everything I can out of here if you need a minute. How is it sad? This is out of 10. It's a red. Out of 10. That's not... I mean, we got more autos than we thought we'd get, or that we're supposed to get. We got the Pete Alonso rookie card chrome. Rookie Day. Andrew Vaughn cracked ice. JJ Bleday. It's a nice auto. Again, a lot of these cards are prospects or coming up this year or in the future. And as we saw,